Hello friend, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial I will show you step by step how to create Amazon S3 bucket in AWS. First go to the consoles and here's I'm clicking by the root users. Enter your username and password. Enter user's name and password and click sign in with Amazon console. And I have to log in my console, Amazon consoles, and here search the S3. So here's in search box, you can see here's S3 bucket. So click on this icon, and I have already one created, but I'm creating a new. Create a new bucket. Create a new bucket, and after that, here's one thing. It, this name will be a globally. So you have to choose your name global. Like this name can not be exist anywhere in the S3 bucket. And search, make sure your public access has been blocked. Scroll down, check all things. If you want to add tag, so you can put here, you can leave it as it is. Scroll down and create. The bucket is creating, take few minutes. Okay, my tag and QQ bucket has been created. Click on this bucket, and here upload button. You can upload your on file. Click on the add files, select your file from your computers, and after that take this files icons button and click upload. The file is uploaded. A file has been uploaded successfully, so you can check your file details completely to click your on files name. Yeah, all details have been created, you can see my S3 bucket has been created successfully and I have tested it. Thank you. Thanks for watching my channels.